thing. We gotta leave here like at.
Well, that's what I mean. I made as much room in there as I could, so.
Yo, lumpia, Shanghai. Chicken breast. Wow.
We made the seasoning.
So, ako ulit mag-isa ngayon dito, guys. So, malis sila na grocery yung dalawang mag-asawa. So, gagawa ako, guys, Si Aaron kasi binilhan niya ako ng ramen. So, tsaka binilhan niya ako ng, ready to eat ng crab stick ba to? So, kaya magluluto ako ng noodles. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng egg. Na-miss ko na mag-noodles ulit. Tapos ko lang guys maligo. Naglinis din ako ng banyo namin. Ayun, kumukulo na. Lagyan na natin itong noodles. Tapos yung seasoning. Chicken flavor to guys. Lagay ko na rin itong crab sticks. Oh, cubes. Sabi ni Aaron, binilhan niya ako ng crabs cubes, yung ready to eat. Kasi ilagay ko daw sa noodles ko kapag gusto ko daw. Good job ng asawa. Saan na ba? Gagawin pa. Sige na din yung egg. Kapag kumakain ako ng Asian food. Yummy! Let's eat! Noodles! Meron siyang, gusto ko kasi meron siyang crabs.
Saturday?
We can.
Well, somebody said something about it. I don't know who it was, but
Your father did, but then we figured people probably would.
Aaron is buying his drinks. Dahil failed nga guys yung unang gawa natin ng lumpia, gawa ng iba yung spring wrapper na nabili namin. Pumunta nga guys yung mga manugang ko guys sa Asian store at nakahanap nga sila ng proper na lumpia wrapper. So binilhan nga nila ako guys at ayan, na-continue ko ulit yung karne na naiwan natin nung nakaraan. The other spring roll that we bought can be used by the fresh vegetables.
Yes, the see-through kind.
Yeah.
You have to. Are you supposed to wet it first?
Yeah, the water.
Any kind of dipping sauce with this stuff?
Mostly we use only sweet and sour sauce.
Sour sauce.
But it's
But I don't have any sweet and sour sauce.
you can try some other dipping sauce. This time guys, hindi na talaga ito palpak at sobrang sarap na ng gawa namin at sobrang crispy ng lumpia Shanghai na nagawa namin guys. Kaya tuwang-tuwa nga ako dito guys dahil nakahanap kami ng tamang lumpia wrapper dito sa US.
You need something to put them on?
And hold it. Hold it. My pattern is wrong.
pattern is wrong?
Water.
Water or egg?
It's fine just water.
There's
Here.
Yeah, that Asian market's right down there in,
what?
well, yeah, I suppose it probably is technically nice. It's a nice store. They got a lot of stuff in there. They had the root.
Balut?
Balut?
Balut.
Balut. How did you ever start eating monkey brains? I mean, how did that ever start? Oh, let's eat the brains. Ugh.
Seemed like a good idea at the time.
So maybe they're starving. They ate the rest of the monkey. And so now you deep fry those?
Yeah.
Ah. Look at this. I gotta put my line up. Balut.
Balot.
Oh, thank you.
Aaron will give a price $100 to eat one balut. It's a game. Then you will pay for the price. Eat one balut and you will win $100.
Will they stick together if they touch each other too much?
No, they will not.
No?
No.
I know when I make egg rolls, they always stick together if they touch.
I don't know, but when we do it, okay guys, it's done.
Delta Cruise. Take the.
Lumpia is going into the oil. Maybe just start with that much for now.
Yeah, because it might get too cold and then it will get.
Because every piece you put in is going to take more of the oil heat away.
And maybe, I don't know, it could cause some heat there.
It probably is a little low still.
How many we will cook?
Well, let's start with that. How many are you going to eat?
Don't only not two because the meat inside will, yeah, and the wrapper will burn.
Rogers and Pat.
Those are looking kind of some golden brown now.
I don't know when we think we're going to make that.
Well, that. There.